Hello, hello. Yes, we welcome you back to the PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. It's me, Richard, once again. Now, we are looking at this question. It says that consider the equilibrium below. Okay, where hydrogen iodide is decomposing to give you hydrogen and iodine. The reaction is established at 25 degrees, equilibrium concentration, number of moles at equilibrium for hydrogen iodide is given, and the Kc value is given. So the question says, calculate the number of hydrogen iodide initially present in the container. How do we go about that? Okay, we are going to need the table, and let's have it. So now we have the table. We have to remember that we are missing, we don't have the initial number of moles. So let us see what we can do here. We start with the ratio. The ratios are clear. It is 2, 1, 1. Okay. Then you go to the number of moles. Okay. We don't initial number of moles, so we are going to call that one X. And because it's just initial, because it was just sealed into the container, here we are having 0 and 0. We must not forget that initially reaction is proceeding in one direction, so we're having a minus here and a plus and a plus. Okay, we know something here. We know the number of moles of hydrogen iodide at equilibrium. So this is it. And what is it? 0.05. We have to remember that this one minus this, you get this. So we know this. What is it? X minus 0.05. Okay. You have to remember that these ratios are working here. So what are you going to have here? X minus 0.05 divided by 2. The same applies here. Okay. So 0 plus this, we have the same here. Okay. What do we do? Now we have the concentration. We must not forget that concentration is equal to number of moles over V. So what do? You divide each one of this by 2. So when you divide this by 2, you will get 0.025. When you divide this by 2, you'll get X minus 0.05 divided by 4. And this one is going to be the same, X minus 0.05 divided by 4. Okay, now we have the concentrations. What do? we have the expression. What is our expression here? The expression is Kc is equal to concentration of hydrogen into concentration of iodine divided by concentration of hydrogen iodide raised to power 2. Okay, after that, what do? We substitute what we have. It's going to be x minus 0.05 over 4 into x minus 0.05 over 4, all of it over 0.025. Okay, so from there, what do? We substitute for our Kc, we have it. So we are going to have 0.02 giving you x minus 0.05 divided by 4 squared, all of it over 0.025. Okay, from here, what do? Let us see. So this is what we get. And what do? Now we find the square root of both sides. And this will give us, so that's what we get. Yeah, we get our number of moles of hydrogen iodide initially put as that 0.139 moles. Okay,